Just wait a few seconds. I told the member you also have lab. I said don't leave the lab. You come after the lab, or else once the lab starts, then you come. Once you're done with your experiment, then come. Don't leave the lab. I did not say that. I said please you come, but I did not say you should leave your lab and come. I did not say you. Now also the market started. Yes, take a problem. A cone. Can you hear? Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. A cone, base 60 diameter. A cone, base 60 diameter, and axis 60 long, and axis 60 long, and axis 60 long. He is lying on its HP. He is lying on its HP. I am repeating again. A cone of base, a cone of base 60 diameter and axis 60 long is lying on the HP. Is lying on the HP. On one of its generators, with the axis parallel to the VP. With the axis parallel to the VP. A vertical section plane, parallel to the generator, a vertical section plane parallel to the generator, which is tangent to the ellipse, in the top view. Comma, cuts the cone bisecting the axis, and removing a portion containing the apex. Draw its sectional front view, comma, true shape of the section, and lateral development of surface of a remaining object. Lateral development surface of the remaining object. Okay. Now, what is the solid? What is that solid? So, what is the base? What is the base of a cone? What is the
uh, 60 diameter and height is 60 Yes, height is 60 and lying on its HP on one of its generator. Generator means the lines which we are drawing on the surface of the cone is a generator. Okay. So when the generator is on the HP means what? The cone is lying on the ground. It is not standing. It is lying on the ground. So the contact area or the contact line is nothing but a generator, right? The lines which we are drawing on the surface of the cone is a generator. Last class I have shown you. Okay. So that it is lying on the ground. అంటే కోన్ ని ఇట్లా పంపేసినట్టు అన్నమాట. Then when the cone is lying on the ground, the front view will be the inclination of the axis will be some axis, some angle, right? Axis of the cone will be some axis. And when you see the cone in the top view, so first we have to draw in two positions. One position is a simple position and another position is a when it is lying on the ground, when it is lying on the ground. And the front view also we have to draw and top view also we have to draw. Already you are drawn in the solids. Already you are drawn in the solids. So after lying on the ground, then we have to give a section. After lying on the ground, then we have to give a section. So previous what we have done? In the previous figures, we have done, this is a simple position. This is a simple, just the base is lying on the HP. Here also the base is lying on HP. So here is the true shape of the base. Here also you can see the true shape of the base. So this is the simple position of the solid. Okay. So here also simple position of the solid. So now the cone is lying on the ground. First position is it's a simple position. When we see the cone, the true shape of the base will be seen as a circle. Okay. Now we will draw here cone like this. Now one of the generator means this inclined line will be the generator. So this will be lying on the ground. So the cone will be like this. It lost in the cone. Then this is the front view. Then in the front view, how will the top view? That also we have drawn. So already you are drawn in the solids. The same thing here also we have to draw the same way. Then in the second position, this is the second. This is the simple position. This one is the second position. Now in the second position, when we draw the top view here, to this top view we have give the section. Top view చూసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సెక్షన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాం ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ లోనే సింపుల్ పొజిషన్ లోనే వీ హావ్ గివెన్ ద సెక్షన్ హియర్ ఓకే సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఆఫ్టర్ లైయింగ్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ద కోన్ ఈజ్ లైయింగ్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఇక్కడ కోన్ గ్రౌండ్ మీద లై అవుతుంది కదా then here we have to give the section. So after giving the section, what is the true shape? True shape we need to draw this side. So the section, the angle bisecting the axis. Axis ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా bisect అవుతుంది కట్ చేస్తున్నాం axis ని కట్ చేస్తున్నాం. So the true shape will be drawn here. Now after drawing the true shape, now the remaining portion of the cone, okay, the remaining of portion of the cone we have to show the development of the surface. We have to develop the surface of remaining part of the solid. So this is our question. Okay. Now here I drawn the top view of the cone. When the cone is the base of the cone is lying on the ground, the true shape of the base is seen on the top view. This is the top view. Okay. And we need to draw the front view also. So to draw the front view, we need to project all the points here. So we have to create some points here. So I want to create points. I want to create 12 points here, not 8 points. As much as points create, you will get the smooth curve. Okay. So I want to divide into 12 parts. There are two ways you can do. Either you can draw a line. Either you can draw a line like draw a diameter. You can draw a diameter. See here, this is the horizontal side, so it's exactly showing diamond shape, green color. So it will be the horizontal and automatically showing the center also. Okay, so draw here like this. You can draw. So how to draw that 12 lines here? We need to divide it 12 parts.
Divide command using.
No, that also can do. But I drawn here lines. The main thing we want is we need to divide into 12 parts. Either you can draw this way with
ఫస్ట్ రెండు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డ్రా చేయాలి మ్యామ్, తర్వాత
yeah.
45 డిగ్రీ.
అట్లా కాదు. Okay. With your compass, you can do like that. I'll show the many how many types are there here. Okay. Now, why I have drawn one line here. So remaining diameters I can draw. So how many more diameters I have to draw? ఇది ఒక డయామీటర్ అయితే 2 సైడ్స్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ ఓ డయామీటర్ అయితే ఇంకో సైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఓ డయామీటర్, ఇక్కడ ఓ డయామీటర్, ఇక్కడ ఓ డయామీటర్. 6 డయామీటర్స్ డ్రా చేయాలి కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will take array here. We will take array. So here you can see, please note it down the command what I am teaching on the screen. Please note the commands. Here array is there. Here this is the square array. You can see here in the screen. So this is, I want a polar array. So here you can check, click here. You will get the two types. This is the rectangular array. This is the polar array. And this is the path array. Whatever you give the path, through that path you will get. Okay. So I want to select this one. This polar round so polar array. Okay. So see here, you got the polar, select the object. This one I want to select. This one I want to select. I selected this one. And please listen, I am teaching very slow. Please try to understand. Please note down the commands simultaneously. If you have any doubts, please ask me to stop there and ask your doubts. I will clarify there only. Don't think that later on you can clarify. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So I selected this one. Select the object. I selected this one. Just a few seconds. Okay. Now select that object. Enter. Enter. Then it is asking center point. So this is the center point. It's asking specifically the center point. So midpoint. Either midpoint is okay or a center point is also is okay. Okay. It's showing the midpoint of the line. So click here. Okay. Now here by default. Now you can see here items it is there. So number this is 6 number is a default. Default. Ikkada 6 vachina kuda, please try to understand this point. But here there are, we can see how many diameters are there? 1, 2, 3 అని ఉంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ 6 అని ఉంది. 3 ఉన్నా కూడా మళ్ళీ డబుల్ ట్వైస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ 2 లైన్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ 2 లైన్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ 2 డయామీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే. 6 అని ఇచ్చాను కదా, ఇది డిఫాల్ట్. ఏదో ఎప్పుడే మనం ఎంత అరే ఇచ్చినా కూడా ఇది డిఫాల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. 6 అనేది డిఫాల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ హియర్. ఇప్పుడు నేను 3 ఇస్తాను, అంతే ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 డయామీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. హియర్ ఆల్సో 2 డయామీటర్స్, హియర్ ఆల్సో 2 డయామీటర్స్, హియర్ ఆల్సో 2 డయామీటర్స్. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ 3 ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ బి రిమైన్ సేమ్, అంటే 1 డయామీటరే ఉంటుంది. సో బ్యాక్, దెన్ ఐ విల్ టైప్ 3, ఎంటర్. See here. Okay, this is one way. And now here we want to divide it 12 parts. So here I will give how many? 12 I will give. Not 12, how much? Yes, 12 I will give. Enter. See, automatically we got 12. Of course, here only 6 are there, but here we are getting twice. Okay, now we got a 12 divisions. 12 divisions. This is one option. And another way is I want to remove this diameter also. Another way is I want to draw the radius. So draw the radius, specify the point, yes, and I draw the radius. Okay, I got the radius now. Okay, enter. Now this one also you can do it 12 array command, we can do it at 12. Now array command, array, select the object. I selected this one. I want now here again it's asking, so enter. Now how many center point? This is a center point. You can check the center point. Specify the center point of an array. So this is the center point. I given a center point. Here, again, see here, 6 are there. I given only the radius. So how many are the 6? Default always is the 6. So here I want to change 12. 12. Enter. See, we got the 12. We got 12. Like this also we can do. And another way is, I don't want lines, all lines in this. I want a very neat and fair drawing. So what I do is, I give a point here. I'll give a point here. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Okay. So here, somewhere I will give a point here. I want to give a point here. Right. Right. But it is not seen. I don't want in that way. Or else you can do some dot, do not long back. I told you how to take a point. And this one is DD. Not this one. This point. Here it is not seen. And these are all I can't take. I am not interested to take all these points. I'm not interested. So what I do is, because all will be seen like a small circles or like a circle in place, and this one is I don't want. So when you take a printout, it will be seen the same way for each and every point. Okay, I don't want like that. So what I did is, long back, what I did is, I created one point as a donut. Okay, DONUT. You know what is donut? Ring లాగా ఉంటుంది కదా.
ma'am.
Okay, so donut.
Inner radius.
Yes, inner radius it is showing some radius. Now I do not అంటే మొత్తం అంటే మనకి పాయింట్ కావాలి కదా, చిన్న పాయింట్ ఇట్లా థిక్ కనిపించాలంటే I will not give the radius. I will give the 0. There is no radius, 0. Then specify the outside diameter. Okay, here default is 1 is there. Let me see 1 it is sufficient or not for us. Enter. 1 is okay. Enter. Then specify the point. See here. So if I keep here, is it okay? Let us see. I'll take a copy command. Enter. Then here again I will explain you about this do not. Do not means this everything is filled here. Now see here, it is showing midpoint. Midpoint and line ki midpoint. Some lines are there here. Many lines will be there. So this is the midpoint. So this is not correct. I want to take a mid of the do not. So somewhere it is showing another midpoint, another line of the midpoint. See here. ఏవో different symbols చూపిస్తున్నాయి. This is a tangent. Okay. This is the starting point, end point. Lines లేవు. So please be careful where to select, and this is very important. So where to select, you have to select at the center. It should show center like this. Whenever you are drawing a line, suppose the actual size is this one. So when you want to select the center line, center point of the donut, now it is a midpoint. Don't select that one. Okay, still try to move there unless it shows the center point. So it is not showing because the that point is very small. So zoom it. Okay, zoom. So now it is correct, center point. Now click there. Now it is moving. So here you this is take off. Okay, now this point is exactly at the center. We are selected at center. So I want to keep here. I want to keep here. See here. Here already one node is there, or else one starting point చూపిస్తుంది. So you can select here. Okay, click. Okay, then how to mark all these lines, all these points here? How to mark all these points? ఇక్కడ ఒక మార్క్ చేసాము. Again, should I select this one? Yes. Please respond. హలో చెప్పండి అమ్మా క్లియర్గా చెప్పండి. షుడ్ ఐ టేక్ అగైన్ కాపీ?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
నో డోంట్ టేక్. అంటే కాపీ అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు కాపీ చేస్తావా? కాదు. విల్ సెలెక్ట్ అరే. Right? Now select the object. So I want to select this one. No, sorry, not this one. Array. I want to select this one. Selected. Then again it's asking, then enter. Then center point of the array. This is center point. So when you select this one, then it will show the center point. Now how many? So default we got default is 6. So here we are, it is showing 6. Okay. So you make it 12.
మ్యామ్ అర్రే అంటే ఇప్పుడు లైన్ ఉంటే లైన్ కాపీ అవుతుంది, పాయింట్ ఉంటే పాయింట్ కాపీ అవుతుంది.
ఎన్ని ఉంటే అన్ని కాపీ అవుతాయి. ఇక 12 ఉంది కదా 12. See here we got a 12 points. We got a 12 points. So now we got a 12 points. Now with these points you can project the all points here like this. You can project all the points to the front view. Okay. So to now those who are doing in AutoCAD they can do, but those who are doing in manual drawings, it is better to draw the diameters. It is better to draw the all diameters. Okay. So
Ma'am,
like this. Yes.
command use చేస్తే రాదా మ్యామ్?
Array command.
డివైడ్ మ్యామ్.
డివైడ్ చేస్తే కూడా వస్తుంది. పాయింట్స్ కనిపిస్తాయా? ఓకే, ఐ విల్ షో దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో. అండూ చేస్తున్నాను ఇది. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్, దిస్ పాయింట్. I will delete this point. Let it be that point there only. We may require. Okay. Now point తీసుకోమన్నావా నువ్వు? Divide the line. Okay. Divide the command. Divide the line. Divide the circle. div. Enter. Select the object. Selected. Now enter the number of segments. So 12. Okay. So now these are all selected. 12 points ఉన్నాయి. But point is not seen. చూసాను కదా ఇందాక పాయింట్ డాట్ లాగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఆ డాట్ ఈ లైన్ కి కోయిన్సిడ్ అయిపోయింది. But how to know if the points are there or not? So you choose any command here. You choose any command. So let me choose the line. Then move on this circle. See here.
మ్యామ్ చేంజ్ చేయడానికి రాదా మ్యామ్ సైజు? అంటే డైమెన్షన్స్ కి మీరు చేంజ్ చేశారు చూడ మ్యామ్, యారో సైజ్ అలాగా. దీనికి డివైడ్ పాయింట్ సైజ్.
పాయింట్ సైజ్ రాదు, ఆప్షన్ లేదు. నేను అందుకే కదా డూ నట్ కమాండ్ నే దాన్ని పాయింట్ లాగా తీసుకొని కాపీ చేశాను నేను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
బికాస్ దిస్ వన్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్. చూపిస్తాను మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు. డిడిటి ఇవి ఉన్నాయి కదా ఈ పాయింట్, ఇవన్నీ పాయింట్ స్టైల్ అనమాట ఇవన్నీ. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీథింగ్ హియర్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఇక్కడ చిన్న చిన్నగా 1 ఇట్లా కనిపిస్తుంటాయి, ఇట్లా వర్టికల్ లైన్స్ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి, ఇట్లా కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం, 1 ఇంటూలు కనిపిస్తాయి. మనకి ప్రింట్అవుట్ కూడా అలాగే వస్తుంది. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ నీట్ డ్రాయింగ్స్.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ సైజ్ మనం పెంచితే అక్కడ చేంజ్ అవుతుందా మ్యామ్?
రాదు. లేదు, డివైడ్ పాయింట్ సైజ్ పెంచితే రాదు. చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ. బికాస్ ఐ ట్రైడ్ లాట్. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 5 ఉంది. లెట్ మీ టేక్ 20 తీసుకుందాం, కొంచెం పెద్దగా అనిపిస్తుంది కదా. ఓకే సరే, పాయింట్ అని తీసుకుంటాను. మళ్ళీ కమాండ్ ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందో లేదా పాయింట్. ఎంటర్. అంతే, చూసావు కదా ఇక్కడ చిన్న కనిపిస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ చూద్దాం. మళ్ళీ డిడి 20 పెట్టాను కదా. ఇక్కడ ఓకే అన్న లేదా అన్నా. ఓకే ఓకే. దెన్ పాయింట్ చూడు అంతే ఉంటుంది. పాయింట్ సైజ్ పాయింట్ అంటే పాయింటే, అంతే అంతే కదా. పాయింట్ అంటే పాయింటే, దాని సైజ్ పెరగదు ఇంకా. ఓకే. So like that. Now here there are the points. So you should know that there are the points whenever you can draw the lines. See, now I want to draw the projections. I will see here how I draw line. Now I know that there are there are points here. Now from here I will start orthon. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా, నాకు తెలిసి ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందని, ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఈ పాయింట్, ఈ రెండు కోయిన్సిడ్ అవుతాయి. I want to draw this separate line because choose చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మనం దగ్గర కాపీ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది ఒకటి ఇదంతా somewhere we required. So from here I will take one line and from here I will take another line. Now I don't want to take a single line. Okay, malla again enter, double enter. Here also one more point is there. I know that. Here also one more point. See, then here this will be the straight line. Automatically it is the straight line. Again here one point is there. Of course this pass through the center. So here another point. So I want to draw like this. Okay, now here one more is there. Here also one more is there. Here one more is there. So here is automatically pass through this point. Here is one more line is there. One more point is there. So here 12 divisions అయిపోయినాయి. Okay. Okay. Or else if you want, you can draw the lines. Okay, you can draw the lines. మీకు డౌట్ అట్లా ప్రాబ్లం కాకుండా నేను లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా one thing I forgot to tell you, all of you, I shared all the videos in your material. క్లాస్ వర్క్ లో మెటీరియల్ ఉంది కదా, దాంట్లో మీకు వీడియోస్ అన్ని షేర్ చేశాను. యూ కెన్ సీ. హలో, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
అన్ని వీడియోస్ షేర్ చేశాను, యూ కెన్ సీ. Okay, now I will draw the line here. If you don't want like that, I will draw the line here and I will give the array command. Okay, enter. Now I will give the array command. So select the object, enter. Center point, it's asking center point. So default is 6 వచ్చేసాయి. So here I will give 12. Okay, now clear. Okay, now I drawn the cone, top view of the cone here. So top view of the cone, I'll give the text also. So ABCD single. I'll give it a smaller size. 3. Default is 3. Let it be 3 only. Enter. Angle is 0. Enter. Now text. So here I want to take ABCD. When we see that from top view, these are the generators. These are the generators. When we see it from top view, all generators will be seen. అంటే కోన్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, బేస్ కింద ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైన్ జనరేటర్ కదా మ్యామ్,
ఇవి ఇంక్లైన్ అనే జనరేటర్. వాట్ ఎవర్
జనరేటర్ కదా,
మీరు ఇంకా లైన్లు వేయండి, ఏదైనా లైన్లన్నీ జనరేటర్.
రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏమంటాం మ్యామ్?
మళ్ళీ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏంటి?
అదే మ్యామ్ నిన్న అన్నారు కదా మ్యామ్, జనరేటర్
అది
అనేది.
అది జనరేటర్ అన్నది ఒక చెప్తాను, ఇది టెక్స్ట్ రాసి చెప్తాను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్,
క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు కోన్ ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోన్ బేస్, అంటే 3D వ్యూలో డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ద, లెట్ us say this is the axis. Okay, so this is the one line, this is the another line. So when we rotate itla ఇది fixed point, it will be rotating, then a cone will form. So ఇవి ఎన్ని లైన్స్ ఉంటే we will have number of lines కదా, we'll have number of lines. ఎన్ని లైన్స్ అయినా నేను లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు, అవునా? ఎన్ని లైన్స్ అయినా లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్ మీద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇట్లా రొటేట్ అవుతుంది ఇది. These are all generators. So here we are showing only few generators here. 12 చూపిస్తున్నాం అంతే. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ జనరేటర్స్. ఇంకెన్ని నెంబర్ లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తారో మీ ఇష్టం, అన్ని జనరేటర్స్ అనమాట. దిస్ కాల్ జనరేటర్. వాట్ ఎవర్ హౌ మెనీ నెంబర్స్ యూ వాంట్ టు డ్రా, దోస్ ఆర్ ద జనరేటర్స్. ఓకే, now you understood. So we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
showing, to name them, we are showing here only 12. Okay, so why will adutar what are the generator ani. Okay, now I will erase this one. Okay, now here text, starting point, enter, enter. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, now here apex is O, and I want to take P in the bracket. I want to take P in the bracket because the same point, P and O is coinciding when we are looking from top view. So I want to keep in the brackets. Now you can understand where is O and where is P. Without looking the front view, you can understand this figure. Okay, if you don't keep in the bracket, you can't understand where is O and where is P. Is it clear now? Now I drawn this one, I projected here. So ఈ base ఇక్కడ ఉంది. When this is the front view, this portion is above the reference line is front view. So front view base ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి we have to draw one more line here. We have to draw one more line. So I will draw the one more line here. Okay, now I draw on the base and I will give the these letters also. Now I will not give now. Now here axis is there, axis. So axis line we have to give. So I will select the axis line here. So last class we have selected this line, right? So this line I will take. Is it this line or this line? Dot. Okay. So what is the height of the cone? What is the height of the cone?
60 mm.
60. 60, enter. So we got less. I think this is not selecting. So what I do is I'll select this one. Instead of erasing that one, I'll select that one. Now it's okay. I change. Okay. Now again I will change this one. I am not selected together. I will change by layer. Okay. Now we'll join all these points from O dash. We'll join all these points from O dash. So O dash to A, O dash to B, O dash to C, all. So line command. So O dash to A, O dash to A. Malli enter, double enter. ఒక్కసారి enter అయినప్పుడు it will come out of the command. Again enter అయినప్పుడు previous command will come. Okay. See here. Okay, now finished. Here AO is a generator, and here this is AO is a generator. BO is also generator, and here the B is there. BO is generator, CO generator, like that up till G. And HO is also generator, but it is behind and coinciding with FO, coinciding with FO. This line and this line is coinciding. So here we cannot see separately. Okay, similarly this one also, this line and this line is coinciding here. We cannot, we should understand. Okay, similarly this line and this line also. Similarly, this line and this line also coinciding. Okay, so I will write it here. These letters. So this is A, right? So text, enter, enter. Now here it's gone here. L M ఉంది కదా M, and here is M little bit away from this part. M, and this is O, and in the bracket P. Now here A dash, A dash. Here is B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. Why? Because ABCD here. This one, these letters you can see. These letters you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can see, but these letters you cannot see behind of that one. Just keep your
మ్యామ్ ఎల్
glass.
వచ్చింది మ్యామ్, ఎల్ లేదుగా మ్యామ్,
ఏంటమ్మా ఎల్
ఎం
ఓకే
ఉండదు మ్యామ్, ఎల్
అవునన్నా ఓకే 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 ఎల్ ఎంలే తీసేస్తాను రైట్ రైట్ I've written very far away from this one, so I thought that here one more point will come. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, so these points are not seen, these points are seen. So these points is the outer bracket, these points are inside the brackets. Okay, so E, F dash, G dash, G dash, and yeah, H ఉంది కదా, H is behind F. So here I will write it here. So what is it? Bracket H dash, H dash, close the bracket. I dash, bracket I dash, J dash, bracket J dash, K dash, bracket K dash, L dash, bracket L dash. Okay, so it means without looking this one, you can understand that where is ABCD? ABCD is in front of you and remaining all back side. Remaining all back side. Without looking to this top view also, you should able to know that these are the points. Okay, and similarly here also I want to name that P should be in the bracket. P, because 3 points are coinciding. P is behind D, right? Okay, now here O dash, O dash. Is it clear now? So I completed the simple position. I think you already done in the solids. You already done in the solids. So I done the same thing here. No change. Enter, double enter. Okay. Now I will remove this one. Em లేదు కదా. Okay. Now it's clear. Now here I'll show the text also. Dimension line. Dimension line. So 80. So here also sorry 60, not 80, 60. I want to show in the same line. So drag like this, so it will come like this. These are on the same line dimensions. In the lines also, projection of lines also, మీరు అట్లాగే చేయాలి. Simple positions ఉన్నాయి కదా. You have to draw the dimension line the same. Dimension lines are all at the one side. So drawing looks very neatly. Okay. Now this is the simple position. Now the another question. Now one doubt is no one is asking the doubt here. So here there is no. These are not edges. Try to understand. These are all not edges. ఇక్కడ ఇది you are having the line DO is there, but here you can show only the axis line. This is the smooth surface. Smooth surface. You can it can visible the axis line for cylinder and cone. Is it clear now? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి అమ్మా. Yeah. Your second year, third semester? Okay, then. Okay. Now the another first half we completed the question. Next half is not half the position of the solid. One of its generator with the axis parallel to the VP lying on 60 mm long is lying on HP on one of its generators with axis parallel to the VP. So parallel to the VP means this is the axis. We make it a parallel అంటే టాప్ ఏం చూస్తే ఇట్లా parallel ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో these are the generators. So this is the generator lying on this. So what you have to do is align or rotate. You can do. You can take a rotate or align. So I will take a align. Okay. So before that, we have to take all this. Idantha solid kalpi, including this text also. We had to draw in this way. We cannot draw separately. Okay. So in drawings also, drawing kuda em cheyalante ikkada ee line vastundi. Okay, I will show you later after drawing this one. So align command. Madam already align command చూపించినట్టున్నారు కదా class లో. So we have to select all this line including text also. And this one also. Now see why I have taken the line here, because if I don't draw this horizontal line on the reference line, it will total line will be selected. So you have to draw here one more line. Okay. And this text also I want to take. So no need to draw, write again text. Okay, and this one. Okay, now select the object. I selected. Now enter. Enter. Specify the first source of the. No. First we have to copy. Yeah, we will copy first. I will copy first. So what I do is I will drag this one instead of selecting separately. I will take it this way. Now, yes, selected at a time. Okay, selected. Now let me take this as a displacement or this as a displacement. Now it is moving. See, so somewhere I will select this one. Somewhere I will select this one. I will keep it here. Okay, enter. So this portion, this one, this line should be on this base, on this horizontal plane. So we have to take a align. So align means now I will take align command. Align, select the object. So I want to select whole the object. Select the object, selected, enter. First source of the point. First source of the point. Here you can understand, you can see this. I want first source of the point ante E point. Ante E point ikkada vastundi. And E point ikkada vastundi. ఇట్లా మనం ఎట్లా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే అట్లా వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఈ పాయింట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ స్పెసిఫై ది ఫస్ట్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది పాయింట్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ దిస్ వన్ యాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ సోర్స్. దిస్ వన్ అంటే డెస్టినేషన్, ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ డెస్టినేషన్ ఎక్కడ, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. దీని డెస్టినేషన్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాం, ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఐ విల్ చూస్ హియర్. ఓకే, అండ్ సెకండ్ సోర్స్ అంటే ఇంకోటి ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ సోర్స్, దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ డెస్టినేషన్ ఎక్కడ, somewhere here. We don't know the exact length of this generator, but we can take anywhere here, anywhere. So I will select anywhere here like this. And it is asking third one, ఇంకేమైనా థర్డ్ వన్ ఉందా అని అడుగుతుంది. సో we don't have, so enter. ఎంటర్ అనగానే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద అలైన్మెంట్ ఇవ్వాలా లేకపోతే, అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఇచ్చాను కదా, ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాను, ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాను, ఇది చిన్న ఉంది కంపేర్ టు దిస్ వన్. ఐ డిడ్ంట్ మెజర్ దిస్ జనరేటర్, మేబీ దిస్ ఇస్ స్మాల్ ఆర్ బిగ్. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీరు అలైన్మెంట్ ఇచ్చినంత దగ్గర వేయాలా లేకపోతే వద్దా అని. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ నో. Read this one again. Align scale object based on the alignment points. సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసాను కదా, ఇక్కడ దగ్గర ఇచ్చేసాను, అయితే చిన్నగా వచ్చేస్తుంది, అప్పుడు ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ చిన్నగా అయిపోతుంది. నౌ ఐ విల్ సీ ఎస్ అంటాను చూడు, ఎస్ చిన్నగా అయిపోయిందిగా. అదర్వైజ్ ఐ విల్ సే ఇట్ స్మాల్, చిన్నగా తీసుకుంటాను, దెన్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. అలైన్, select the object. I will select all at a time. Okay, now selected, enter. First source, now I will take this as the first source as previous only. Here I will take second source. I have taken this one and it's asking destination. Now here you see, ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాను కదా ఇందాక, నేను ఇక్కడ దగ్గర తీసుకుంటాను, తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, ఎంటర్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ థర్డ్ ఏం లేదు, దెన్ ఎంటర్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ ద గివెన్ అలైన్మెంట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాను కదా అంతవరకే డ్రా చేయాలనా లేకపోతే నార్మల్గా ఎట్లుంది అక్కడ డ్రా చేయాలనా అంటుంది. ఇక్కడ వరకు డ్రా చేయాలనా అంటే ఎస్ అన్నాను అనుకోండి, ఎస్ అని క్లిక్ చేశాను, చూడు చిన్నగా అయిపోయింది. అంటే నేను అలైన్మెంట్ ఇంత ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకే ఇచ్చాను, ఇది అందుకే చిన్నగా అయిపోయింది. నౌ యూ గాట్ ఇట్.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? So let me see, it will go back or not. Okay. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమి ఇస్తాను, ఇప్పుడు నో అంటాను. నో అంటే ఇది ఎంత సైజ్ ఉందో అంతే సైజ్ వస్తుంది, మనం అలైన్మెంట్ ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చినా సరే అంతే సైజ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ గివ్ అగైన్ అలైన్మెంట్ AL, align, select the object, this total object is selected, then నేను ఇంకేం లేదు సెలెక్ట్ చేసేది. ఫస్ట్ సోర్స్, దిస్ వన్ ఐ వాంట్ ఫస్ట్. అంటే ఇది ఈ సాలిడ్ ని, ఈ కోన్ ని టిల్ట్ చేస్తే జీ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కదా, జీ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఈ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఈ ఏ అనేది ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఇట్లా వస్తుంది, ఏ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, అపెక్స్ ఇది ఉంటుంది టిల్ట్ చేస్తే. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో ఫస్ట్ సోర్స్ పాయింట్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ హియర్. Destination is that one. First enter, alignment, select the object, selected, then first point, this one is first point, then destination here, somewhere here. Okay, again it is asking second source of the point, so this apex I will take a second source of the point, then this destination somewhere very near to there, I didn't measure that one. And third source, third ఇంకేం అక్కర్లేదు, అవసరం లేదు, enter. Then again it's yes or no, alignment ప్రకారం ఇవ్వాలనా వద్దని అంటుంది. So I said no. See here, as it is we got. Why this another line? You want to copy and the line? I don't know where this line got. Okay, line name లేదు. Okay, now same thing we got here. చూడండి ఇక్కడ లెటర్స్ రివర్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ అగైన్ హియర్. రివర్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి, సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ లుకింగ్ గుడ్, సో యూ కెన్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ లెటర్స్ హియర్, numbers here, no, this let it be O. I don't like taking like this. So again G ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, సో A ఇక్కడ ఉంది, సో as it is A ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి A ఇక్కడ పెట్టేస్తాం. సో A text single line, we have to give compulsory text here, otherwise you cannot draw the the top view. Here, this point, this one we cannot draw. Okay. So here, this one is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, C dash, H dash, I dash, J dash, A dash, L dash, over. Okay, same thing I drawn, and here is O dash. No need of bracket. Okay, now it's clear. Now you got it. This part is again read the question. This is on its lying on the HP on the one of its generators with the axis parallel to the VP. Axis parallel to the VP. Now this front view we got. Front view we got axis parallel to the VP means the same. Again we need to draw the horizontal projectors. So we have to draw the horizontal projectors from this previous simple position. So approximately let it be till here. And instead of drawing, instead of taking line each and every point, I can take copy. No, because from here we have to draw. So I cannot take a copy command. Okay. So again, line command, line, double enter. So here already it is there, so no need. So better to draw from here only, not required. So another line. All horizontal lines. Okay, sorry. Okay, now finished. All lines. See, all lines I got. Okay. Now from whatever the points we got here, from all the points you have to draw the projectors on a top view. This is a top view position. So here also I will draw from this one also, from apex also you have to draw. Here it is not so clear, so better to zoom because so many elements are there. Always your right hand should be on the mouse and left hand should be on the keyboard so that you can do it very fast. Okay, your right hand should be on the mouse and your left hand should be on the keyboard. Now I had drawn the all projectors. What are the points is there in the front view in the second position of the cone. Okay. Now here you need to keep a points here. Without points, of course, I can draw without points also, but you have to keep a points here. Smaller dots petali. Okay. Now how? Now first we will go in the order. Now A on this projector. in the horizontal projector. Now here, where is A? Here it is A. Here it is A. So here the point A will come. So I will, for your convenient, so I will draw a point here. I will take a point here. Okay. Select the object, enter, displacement. So similar way, I want to take exactly at the center. Okay. So here auto off. Now I want to say A is here, right? I will take a point A. Okay. Now point B. Where is B now? Here in horizontal projector. Here in the top view. This is B on this projector. On this projector. Where it is B, we have to see here. Now see B on the next line. So where two lines are coinciding, here this is coinciding. So here B. Okay. Now C. C is here. C is here on this point. D is here. E is here. F is here. G is here. H, I, J, CJ, K, L. Now, I think you can see the points clearly here. Okay. కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా points అన్ని. Okay. And also apex, O dash, O dash. And here is O. Here it is coincide. O dash. That's clear. ఇంకా ఎక్కడ లేవు. Now, I will join this one. Here I will take A, B, C, D text. Okay, text తర్వాత రాద్దాము. Now I'll join all the lines, all this generator to O in the top view. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll join all these point to the O. All this point to the O. So before that I had to draw this circle here. So top నుంచి చూస్తే circle ఇలా కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay. I will draw. So I will take as SP line. SP అనగానే ఇక్కడ SP లైన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. No need to type all the letters spelling. So anyway you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise, no matter. So I'll draw from here like this. Click on these points, and here also you have to check whether the point is selecting at the cross mark or at the midpoint or at the triangle, whatever it is. So better to select in the correct way. So we will get neat diagrams. Okay, then click here. మళ్ళీ టాంజెంట్ అవన్నీ చూపిస్తుంది, అది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోకూడదు. ఓకే, now this is correct one. Now next one is this one, and next one is okay, and another one is see tangent. ఇప్పుడు now this is okay. Okay, ట్రయాంగిల్ అది ఉంది చూడు, ఉంది కదా, అదేదో లైన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అది. ఓకే, select this one.